Welcome back to the Game Logic Design tutorial series on the paintbrush. Right now we're just going to show BodyPaint integration and how you can paint on multiple layers, multiple channels. So here I have a material set up on my sphere here, and I'm just going to paint on the color channel. So that's as normal as you would expect. And if we go to the layers tab here, we can see that it's painted onto the background layer. So we can also add new layers here, and we can paint onto those layers and hide and show them. And we can also add masks to these. So let's just go down here and we'll add a mask. And so we can also paint into the masks. And over here I'll paint, let's change this brush color over here to something darker. And we'll just mask out parts of this. And we can see there that we're drawing into the mask for what we've just painted there. We can turn the mask on and hide the layer. So you can paint on different layers. You can paint onto masks, and you can also use the fill tools for these brushes as well. So if I have the fill tool up here and I just apply a fill, it's going to fill everything in that layer there. Let's fill the mask there. So we have the mask selected, so we select here, we'll select the layer, and we'll change the color as well. We'll change it to a green color, and we'll do a fill. So it's just filling that layer. So we'll just delete that layer now. And now we'll come over to the material again, and we just want to add a second channel on here. So I'll just right click on here, go textures and bump, and we'll create a 2K by 2K 8-bit grayscale image for the bump. And if I go over here and start drawing, you're going to see the bump coming down onto the surface there. And again, that's going into the bump's background layer here. And we can also turn, we can switch between these. So I can switch there, I can paint some color, I can switch back to the bump, paint some bump. Or we can enable multi-channel painting, just like you do in BodyPaint, and we can paint on both of these at the same time. So now we're going to get a bumpy green. And we'll just go back to the layers here. I'll switch to the bump channel so you can see that bump's actually going on there as well. And go to the color channel so we can see the color channel. So there you see painting on multiple channels at the same time as well.